Hello class, and welcome to our first experience with a flipped classroom. Basically what's going on here is you are spending your homework listening to me lecture, and then in lab this week we'll get right to working on our assignment without having to take the time to lecture, giving you more time in the classroom to work on your assignments and be able to have me answer any questions that you may run across when working on these subjects. So we're utilizing what's called sticky notes, and with that we're going to use a program called Padlet. Now, as you can see at the top of your screen, it's simply padlet.com. It can be written in your browser, or Padlet simply into Google, which you can see here would bring up what you need to know. Type Padlet into Google, this is what you would get, which is Padlet paper for the web. So for us, we want to sign up for an account. When you click the top right of login or sign up, it comes up with a login. For you, not having an account, you would click down here in the pink sign up, and that would bring you to this page. Since I already have a page, I will log in and we can get moving on what Padlet is and what it does. Alright, so Padlets. You're not going to see these three that I have already here. You're going to just see this plus sign. So what I want you to do is we're going to create a new Padlet, and that's building a wall. Now on your right, it basically has a bunch of things on here that teach you what to do along the way. We are going to modify our wall, we can change backgrounds, etc. Basically what this is a notepad, a digital notepad. This is where we're going to be able to collaboratively, as a classroom, post things together on subject matters that I assign. This is also where you can post ideas for assignments, papers, midterms, final projects. You can put web pages, you can put pictures, you can also put all kinds of Word documents, etc. This is a great way to share information in a group project as well. So this is a great tool that we're learning about, and we're going to do a few assignments here just to help us get used to it. The first assignment, which you should be doing with me or afterwards, is creating your own personalized Padlet wall. When you go to modified wall, you can select and add pictures as your background. You can select something directly from the screen. You can add a title to your page. For us, we are going to create personal interests. This is a great way to share what you like. So I'm just going to choose something basic up in here, but you could add a picture of yourself, which I'm asking you to do, and then we can get moving on to the next pages. Wallpaper. You can select anything from this list, or you could add your own. Now this is a personalized project, so I like to see you add your own. For me, I'm going to use something like wood for this simple assignment. So now, we have this board, it looks like, on this. This is where we're going to add our personal interest. So we can simply just, what can we do here? So let's see what happens when we double click. Up pops a new post. This is where we can upload either hyperlinks, adding a URL of an image, video, map, or slideshow. We can actually upload a file from our own computer, or we could use our webcam to take a photo. For our purposes, we're going to be researching topics. So this is where you would post your name, the title of it, etc. For this assignment tonight, this is personal interest. So this could be sports team. What's your favorite sports team? Now, you can just simply go into your browser and you could go to your sports team's webpage. I am a Philadelphia Flyers fan. So if I just simply go to Google and I go to Flyers main webpage, I can get the Flyers URL and I can simply copy and paste that into the URL. When I add that, up will pop the actual small picture of the URL of this. You can move these Padlet little sticky notes all around your page. what I want you to do is create 10 to 20 items, sports teams, music, things you like to do, hobbies, etc., and place them on this page in any order you would like. Once you're done completing that, you can share this. Just by sharing and exporting, you can just embed into your own web page, which we'll talk about later. You can actually export it as an image, or you could email it, or share it on Facebook, etc. For our case, I would like you to pass on your web page link so I can just simply click on it and go from there. So please, check out Padlet, play with this program, mess around with it, create your own personal interest page, and be prepared to just start. Come lab this week on working on the assignment I give, which is on creating your own pages according to sustainable building products, and then also we are going to do a collaborative page based on lean construction. Hope you enjoyed. Any questions, please write down and we will discuss them in lab this week.